Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full face of Made by Mitchell. Let's get into it.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Alright y'all, we are back and today we are testing out Made by Mitchell. I'm starting off with the Glow Goo Face Primer, and this is actually one of my favorite products from them that I tried today. Now, I've been seeing Made by Mitchell all over TikTok and I've been putting off this purchase, but I was like, you know what? Let me just commit to it, buy a full face and do a full face of Made by Mitchell so I can share with you guys my thoughts because the videos on TikTok seem very promising. So starting off with the skin tint, when I swatched it on my face, I was like, nah, not too sure. I don't really feel like this gives me the coverage that I'm looking for. While it does give you like that sheer skin tint finish, I normally like something that is a little bit more, gives me a little bit more coverage. Now watching this back, it looks way better than I initially felt when I was recording this video, but I just feel like it didn't have like super duper uber coverage. So this is gonna be a good skin tint for the girlies that have basically like perfect skin. Now this is how my skin looks fully done, and I actually think it looks pretty good. You can see the glow popping through. Now this is the Blush Bronzed, and I thought this was gonna give me like that OG bronzed look, so the color looks promising for sure, but as I blended this out, I just feel like it kind of blended away a little bit. I do know that the curve case is a bit more pigmented, so that may be something that I need to use instead of the blushed bronzed, but it did what it needed to do. Again, just giving me very gentle coverage, not like super duper like opaque coverage in my opinion. Now because I did not get the pressed powder curve case, I got the cream curve case. I got this one and I believe I got it in the deeper shade. I should have gone one shade lighter because these colors in this palette specifically are a little dark, so I took this brown to kind of deepen up that bronze, and baby, when I tell you pigmented, she was pigmented, and I feel like this one was a little bit too deep for me, so after blending it out, it gave a little bit of a muddy look in my opinion. However, it could have been one, my blending technique, and two, just layering on a product that was too dark for my skin tone. Now the liquid blush, the Blush, in this bright orange color, I've tried it before and I thought I was gonna love this, and I do love this color. However, again, wasn't as pigmented as I thought it would be. Now my second favorite product I would say is the concealer. While it gave like a natural finish, I just think this color is perfect for like a natural concealer color for me, so I've been using this consistently, and I do feel like if you let it dry down and get a little bit tacky, you get just a little bit more coverage than you would if you were to blend it out immediately. Now I don't really know what I was expecting when I got all of these products from Made by Mitchell. I truly thought I was gonna be wowed, shook it to my core, and while I was wowed with a few products, the whole collection wasn't like really screaming at me. So again, the blushes in the curve case were the most pigmented, and I really enjoyed using the curve case, and I probably need to purchase the one that's a shade lighter so I can utilize those bronze colors as well. I also wanted to try out their loose powder because again, their videos look so enticing, and after doing a full face of Made by Mitchell, I definitely think these are the products for my full coverage girlies, my full glam, like the ones who want to use all the makeup. Like this is the products for you to try. Now you would think with the skin tint being like a more sheer coverage that these products would be lighter, and maybe now that I'm looking at it, maybe it was just the powder products that kind of made this turn for the, I don't want to say for the worse, but turn a little bit for the lesser, because I feel like my skin just had a whole bunch of texture, and you can just really see the texture build up, and maybe it's because of how I'm using the powder products. Now the bronzer palette that I got, I also think I got a little bit too dark of a shade, so again, it was just playing into that muddy feeling that I felt about like my bronzer from the jump. So this is how my face is looking with powder set. I'm going in and setting my nose contour as well. Then I went ahead and just did a little bit of that bronzer on the eyes. This is going to give me a flush of color without having to do like an entire eyeshadow look. Now this palette was definitely in the top 3 of my favorite products today, and this is the Blush Book, and I definitely feel like these colors really popped on my skin. It gave me the pigment that I was looking for, and it's just perfect for the girlies who love to add blush in their routine. Now I didn't get their setting spray, so I'm just going in and setting all of those powder products with some setting spray and then going in with the lip combo. Now this lip liner, the colors were a little bit different than I anticipated. This brown was a little bit more on the cooler side versus like a warm brown shade. And again, it is hard to buy makeup strictly online without being able to go in store and see it in person. So these lip colors I thought were very beautiful, and I was excited to try them out. And when I tell you pigmented, you only need a little bit because a little goes a long way. Alright y'all, I'm officially done with my face. This is what it looks like. Okay y'all, this is what my makeup looks like up close. Let me know what you guys think. If I'm being transparent, as far as my makeup looks right now, I do feel like it looks like I have on a lot of makeup. And I do think that's partially because some of the shades that I use were not probably the best shades for me. I did get the medium. I believe this is the medium. This is the deep curve case, and I do believe some of these shades here are rather dark for my skin tone. I used this one right here, and although, you know, it doesn't look too far off for a contour, I do feel like my makeup looks a little bit muddy, just a little bit. And I think that's either due to the amount of product that I applied or the shade. But I've used the curve case before in I think medium deep, and I do like the curve case. I like the quality of this product as well as the shade range. I just think I probably used a little bit too dark of a shade on me. All in all, my favorite products will definitely have to be the Glow Goo Primer as well as the concealer. I think this shade of concealer is very good for me. It's like the perfect neutral, the perfect shade, perfect undertone for my skin, and it looks very, very natural. So I do love the concealer as well as the blushes. The curve case, y'all already know, if you haven't tried it, it's very pigmented. So these are definitely some products that I'm gonna have to play around with in my free time to see which shades work best for my normal makeup routine. Now the lip gloss, honey, they're pigmented, so expect none less, okay? I will say that. Like, she's giving full glam. Now, I definitely think Made by Mitchell has really great products, but I would say this brand is probably more geared towards people who love like a soft glam or neutral makeup, or just like that kind of more glam makeup versus people who like no makeup looks. This makeup collection and all of these products that I tried out today definitely give me more of a like high coverage energy, like products you're gonna pull out when you're about to pop out, not for like everyday wear. Now I will say this is a sheer skin tint, so if you're more looking for like a natural medium sheer coverage, this is gonna be your best friend. Now if you're looking for something full coverage, this might not be the base foundation for you, but these other products like the bronzer, the blush, those are gonna be your go-tos, and I would definitely recommend trying them out. If you haven't heard about Made by Mitchell, I believe he is from the UK, and his products are just pretty amazing, and they recently launched in Ulta, so you can definitely shop these on Ulta. I've seen them all over TikTok, so I was very excited to buy all this stuff and do a full face of Made by Mitchell for you guys, okay? So let me know what your favorite products are in the comment section below. As always, I have everything linked in the description box, so if you want to shop any of these products, you can do so by using the links in the description. As always, be kind, be true, and be you. Tipful. Bye.
It's Reshae.